The Web3 is in the making, and that is why it's time to concentrate yet again on Polkadot and Kusama. You see, tomorrow's blockchain systems, they won't work separately as they do now. No, they will communicate with each other and mesh together in a multiverse of blockchains in a way that will give users and developers the best of all blockchain ecosystem. And that is why today I want to introduce to you Manta Network and Calamari Network, two beautiful dots within the DeFi Hub of Polkadot and its canary test network Kusama. Both of them have already won the parachain auctions and have the potential to become market leaders within the Kusama and the Polkadot ecosystem. Let the chaos begin, but just remember, my chaos has been nothing but profitable. The future of finance is being built right in front of our eyes and is being built on the blockchain. And from my point of view, it's being built on Ethereum, Polkadot and Kusama. Now if you want to do yourself a favor, you watch this video until the end. Don't waste your time watching other useless videos promising or explaining something that they truly don't know shit about. Polkadot and Kusama will enable completely decentralized web where users are in control. Both networks are built to connect private and consortium change, public and permissionless networks oracles. Polkadot and Kusama facilitate an internet where independent blockchains can exchange information and transactions in a trustless way via the relay chain. Now Kusama is the ugly cousin or the test network. But Kusama is a scalable test network of specialized blockchains built using Substrate and nearly the same codebase as Polkadot. The network is an experimental development for teams who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for deployment on Polkadot. Both Polkadot and Kusama was founded in 2019 by Gavin Wood, founder of Polkadot and co-founder and former CTO of Ethereum. Calamari Network is the plug-and-play privacy preservation protocol built to service the entire DeFi stack on Kusama. Built on Substrate to leverage interoperability and ZK snarks to leverage scalable privacy. Now Calamari Network offers a suite of products and services that enable privacy for blockchain projects. As part of its own suite of products, Calamari Network offers private payment and a private decentralized exchange named Manta Swap. Now KMA is the native token of the Calamari Network. And the live KMA price today is trading around 0.003 and the current coin market cap ranking is number 952 with a live market cap of almost only $9 million. Trading however at 95% below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 29th, 2021. So it could potentially generate more than 2,200% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Now remember, I was talking about Calamari Network, but now let's move on to Manta Network. Manta Network is not just another blockchain project. It stands out due to its focus on privacy, scalability, and developer-friendly environment. The Manta Network offers layer 1 blockchain like ultra-fast transactions along with layer 2 blockchains like extremely lower gas fees. Now adding to these features, it also helps in developing Solidity-based decentralized applications with its modular architecture. Now Manta Network emerges as a cutting-edge player in the blockchain space, offering a unique multi-modular ecosystem designed for zero-knowledge application. This network is divided into two main components, Manta Pacific and Manta Atlantic, each serving distinct functions but maintaining interoperability. Manta Pacific operates as a layer 2 L2 scaling solution on Ethereum tailored for EVM native ZK applications. It's a, let's say, boon for developers looking to deploy ZK apps affordably and scalably using the popular Solidity programming language. Manta Atlantic, on the other hand, is a layer 1 L1 blockchain within the Polkadot ecosystem. Its focus is on programmable identities and credentials, utilizing ZK snarks cryptography. So this allows for the creation of ZK soul-bound tokens, offering users control over the data while verifying specific attributes without compromising sensitive information. Now, even though the Manta Pacific mainnet was launched several months before, in September, the Manta token just started trading on open markets from January 18th, 2024. And the total supply of Manta tokens is limited to 1 billion, and its starting price was around $2.32. Now, currently, the Manta token, Manta Network's native currency, plays a pivotal role in the ecosystem. It's utilized for governance, payment of transaction fees on the Manta Pacific, and staking to secure the network while earning rewards. The live Manta price today is trading around $3.50, and the current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 79 with a live market cap of almost 880 million. I mean, that's a lot. Now, various factors such as the Binance listing Manta tokens and the airdrop of almost half of the token supply, which is worth $50 million, have contributed hugely to the market performance of the Manta token. Since its launch in September, the total value locked on the Manta network has been rising relentlessly, to be honest, and its growth has been accelerating since December. Now, as per DeFi Llama, the total value locked on the Manta network is over $400 million. Which is a noteworthy milestone to achieve within a few months of its launch. Now, all things considered, the Manta network definitely seems like it's worth the hype this year. Whether the network successfully delivers all the things it promised will decide its future growth and performance. So before we end, I always like to give my 2 cents on the dollar. Now, I think that Manta Network and Calamari, it is highly interesting, and we will keep an eye out for what's going on, how they're going to develop, and of course also the price. Now, currently I have to admit that we are not holding any Calamari or Manta tokens in Betty's portfolio. And remember, I don't own nothing, and I'm pretty happy. Betty owns everything, and she's fucking miserable all the time. But nevertheless, in case this video gave you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit the like. Subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they're on, because this is where I really share in-depth value. That's all I got to say about that. Stay safe, stay home, don't think, as you know it can cause depression. Don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.